Ooh, let me tell you what, people. It was a mess. Getting underneath there and getting them on there, that was a pain in the ass getting that shit on there. There's bush guards. For a fat one-legged old man, I had to do some squirming around down there just to figure out what the hell I was doing, man. But let me show you what I did here. Let's start this up quick. Let's straighten out the wheel. And just curve the wheel to be able to get up underneath there and do the deal. I don't know if you can see what's going on there. Try to let some light in it. Get the push guard right here. Right there. And there's one right here. Got those two on. I would have to say, if you elevate the machine, like if you're in a shop or something and you have a lift, it'd be a shit tons easier to just go whoop right up behind them and stuff. Walk up behind them and do it. But I got in there to put those on, and I couldn't go this way or that way, so I had to go this way. I had to lay across this way underneath there, and I propped my head up on the ramp so I didn't have to support my head, because my head was like, I couldn't get it in there, man. So I had to lay long ways this way and do every one side. This side I could do with my right hand, the other side I had to do with my left hand. So, not that I'm ambidextrous or anything like that, but yeah. Let's see what we got going here. But I'm walking on crutches, so this thing should be okay, man. Wow. Hopefully it's recording right. But I don't know if you can see the ones on the back. You see them? Black strips down here on both sides. You're looking at those are 85 bucks a piece. It's 170 a set, front and back. So that's 170 bucks, and the ones in the front were 170 bucks also, just for skid plates and stuff. Oh man. Whew. What's up? Woo. Let's back this monster down. Sorry about the light levels. It's gloomy out, and the light for that isn't working, man. See if I can get up in here without killing myself. We're taking you guys for a ride. Oh shit. I'm gonna have to put this down. fatty. Ooh. Sorry about that. See if we can get this right. Did that thing shut off? I think it did. I think if it doesn't sense movement for a while, it shuts itself off. Here we go. Oh, right on. Pretty sure I'm not going to run over anything if I back off of here. I think I got most of my shit out of there. Put my seatbelt on. Give me a second. See how this selfie stick works around the neighborhood. Probably gonna hear some noise. right now, tonight would be a good time to go for a ride because the trails they're a little sticky from rain last night, but the most of the dust is down. So if you don't go through any mud puddles and shit, you should be okay. All my stuff at home, and then I'm going to go out for a ride. I think the battery in the Gimble's going dead. I'm going to say love, peace, and hippie grease, man. I'm going to sign out of this one. You guys be cool, be kind, and don't be a dink, man. Rock on. Peace.